Hi guys, Junie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to jump into a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. So I have a variety of items, so I'm excited to share with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. So I have a bag of Dum Dum Pops. You guys, these have been a lifesaver for me with my kids. Something about the sucker, it just completely changes their mood. And you know, they're super small and they have 10 grams of sugar. So I mean, this is pure sugar, but it's the smallest form of candy that you probably could find. So I picked those up. And then I picked this up for Scarlett. So this is the mini counting and numbers. So it's just a workbook. But what I love about the Dollar Tree workbooks is they have so many different characters. So when you're doing, you know, number printing practice and counting activities, it's a lot more fun to do it when you're doing it with Minnie and Daisy and all of your kids' favorite characters. So I picked that up. And then I found this glass, which I thought would be a really nice gift for someone who, obviously a gift for an adult, but maybe someone that your significant other's husband or your best friend's boyfriend. I actually got this for my best friend's boyfriend, and it's a glass and it has all the different recipes for different drinks. So it has all sorts of different drinks, so it gives you the recipe right here. So my thought was to go ahead and give him this glass and then put it with his favorite candy, or maybe even put like those little bottles of like liquor in it. So just an idea for a male gift, or even a female, because you know, females drink too. So anyways, I also found these in the school section, and it is a matching game. So there's 24 tiles. So I got the transportation one, and then I got the architecture one, and then I also got the princess one. So I picked these up because Scarlett has a little party today at our house. So I thought this would be fun for the kids to go ahead and play with as an activity. So I picked these up. Those would make great stocking stuffers, you guys. Also great donatable gifts. So my daughter's school does a Operation Shoebox. So I'm actually going to be taking the kids to the Dollar Tree probably next week, and they're going to pick out the stuff for those shoe boxes. So if you want to see a video on what I'm putting into the Operation Shoeboxes, let me know and I'll do a video with that. And then I also picked this up for Scarlett. It is a strawberry shortcake calendar, and she loves strawberry shortcake. She's actually watching Strawberry Shortcake now downstairs. She loves those strawberry shortcake movies. So I picked that up. And then the girl is all about Vampirina. So I picked her up this poster board. So anything that I see Vampirina, like coloring books or stickers, I pick it up and I just immediately put it into her stocking bag. And then I also picked up this ornament. So I have a little Halloween party, like I mentioned, and at the last minute I decided I'm gonna go as a Christmas tree. So I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun, and then I'm just gonna stick this in my hair. So I got that, and then I got 2 packages of ornaments, and these are just snowflake ornaments. So I picked up 20 total, and then I have little safety pins to go ahead and pin onto my shirt. So I have that. So if you guys want to see that, just follow me on Instagram, because I'm going to be posting my photo. And then I also got some white string tags and 2 bows, because my husband's gonna go as a present. So I'm gonna be a Christmas tree and he's gonna be the present. So that's what we came up for our Halloween costume, and there's 30 in here, so I'll definitely be using these for Christmas time. But yeah, that is our couple's Halloween costume, which I totally love. I'm in love with that concept. And then I found this little gift right here. It is a mug, but it comes with the candy in it. So it has, I think it has like toffee candy. I don't know if it says what candy is in it. I think it's toffee. Yeah, toffee candy. And then it has a little tag right here. So I actually picked this up because I wanted to show you guys an inexpensive gift for $1. You can do a mug and some candy, which is great. And then you can also fill something else in here. Maybe you want to put a face mask in here. Maybe you want to put a nail polish, but this is a great gift for $1. So if you have like an office you buy for $1 per coworker or something, that would be a great idea. And then my heart sank when I saw these, in a good way. It reminded me of the little Christmas tree villages from Michael's, and I have wanted to collect them, but they're so expensive most of the time. So I picked up every single one that they had, but these are from Cobblestone Corners. They're miniature little houses, and you can make your own little miniature village, like Christmas village. So I picked up the church, and then I picked up the hotel, and then I picked up the post office, and then I also picked up the little house, and you can put little LED candles in here and then they can light up. But I thought that for $1, these were so cute. So I'm so excited to set these out for Christmas time. I might even go back for some more. I'm not really sure, but I have a feeling these are probably gonna fly off the shelf because they're so stinking cute. So I picked these up, and then they had the faux snow, and then they had the little village people that you can put into the display as well. So I thought that these were so incredibly cute, you guys. So I hope that you're able to find these and snag these, because like I said, the villages from like Michael's or any of the other craft stores are so expensive. I never buy those full price. I always wait until they get super clearance, but I always tend to pick up a village piece after Christmas time. But I think this is a great little, yeah. And I also think that this would make a really great Christmas gift for someone. Like if someone's just getting married, like get them a set. Get the candles to go with it, and I think this would make a really cute gift for someone just moving into a new home or getting married or whatnot. So yeah, I got this too. And then I also got one more of the melatonin pouches. So these are really great, and they help me sleep really well. So I highly recommend them. I try not to take them every single night because I don't want to get like a habit in taking it every night and then be dependent on it. But I probably take it about maybe once or twice a week when I like need to get a really good night's sleep. I will take them, but yeah, I picked those up too. So I picked those up as well. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. And yes, I literally just came out of bed. Scarlett and I, we went to Starbucks in our pajamas, of course, to go and pick up coffee. And then I wanted to sit down and share with you guys what I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So no, I am sitting here in my pajamas. I washed my face and I brushed my teeth. So let's give Gina a thumbs up for that. But yeah, I'm just chilling. So now we're gonna get our house ready for a bunch of toddlers to come over, a bunch of preschoolers to come over. So I'm so excited about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I have a few pictures for you guys. I didn't take a whole bunch of them, but I have a few of them. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Saturday with whatever you are doing, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye. I will have the playlist linked below of all of the Halloween costumes that were in the Dollar Tree Halloween costume challenge. And I also want to remind you guys of another open collab that I am doing. It's on November 12th, so it's going to be a Dollar Tree gift item under $10. So anyone is welcome to join this collab. Also, definitely check out Diana Simply Saves. She has an open collab as well. I think her collab is making a holiday decor item under $5, I think. And then also check out Marie's DIY and her friend, I forgot her name, but I'll link her channel below, but definitely go and check out their open collabs they were doing. So yeah, if you guys want to get some holiday inspiration, definitely go and check out their channels and challenge yourself to join into one of their DIY videos and their open collabs as well. So definitely go and check them out.